I hope my phone's still on.
What are you playing it in, man? What's that?
My battery's went dead. And my big camera.
Sound check. I'll be performing to you later. I'm with him right now.
He's a fan right now?
You what?
I'm Jim.
You're jealous that we're performing to each other?
Her.
Oh, just her.
Yeah, just her.
I'm gonna put her up right there at the soundboard. Put her about 10 feet high on the chair. What's your name? What's your name? Kimberly. Kimberly? That's Kimberly? Oh, you're Kimberly. What's her name? Say it again.
Catherine.
Catherine. Yeah, Catherine's gonna be about 10 feet high.
Catherine wants to meet you.
She what? Oh, of course.
Maybe he should do strings.
Only because you have a cool shirt. Hip hop.
Might be nice. Come in with the strings to the bridge part.
That's all it takes. Cool shirt. I got a cool shirt.
Yeah, definitely roads are whirling.
I could like
One, good.